Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Grammarly affiliate program, beginner guide step by step clearly. Scroll down to the footer of the page. Look for the link that says affiliates and click on it. You will be redirected to the Grammarly affiliate program page. Read through the information provided to understand the benefits and requirements. Next, locate and click on the Join Now button. You will need to create an account if you don't have one. Fill in your personal information, including your name, email address, and password. After completing the registration form, check your email for a confirmation link. Click the link to verify your email address. Once verified, log in to your Grammarly affiliate account. You will be prompted to fill out additional information about your website or platform. Provide details about how you plan to promote Grammarly's products. After submitting this information, wait for approval from the Grammarly affiliate team. You will receive an email notification once your account is approved. Once approved, log back into your affiliate account. Explore the dashboard to find your unique affiliate links. Copy your affiliate links for use in your promotions. You can also access banners and marketing materials in your dashboard. Start sharing your links through your website, blog, or social media. Monitor your progress and earnings through the affiliate dashboard. Review the guidelines periodically to maximize your success with the program. Engage with reporting tools to track your conversions and performance. Consider joining affiliate training webinars or resources provided by Grammarly. Continuously optimize your promotions for better results. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.